Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Those who are new here, then hello, I am Parul Chauhan. I make videos related to makeup. So if you are new to this channel, you can begin by subscribing my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about how you can achieve flawless base by just following few steps someone has requested in my previous video, which is how to apply false lashes. So yes, here I am, and I am gonna talk about how you can create flawless base in just few steps. So if you wanna know, then stick to this video. So without any further ado, let's just get started with today's video. So I don't have my lenses right now, that's why I'm wearing my chashma, so please don't judge, okay? मेरे को सच्ची में कुछ नहीं दिखता है, so I cannot work without my specs. So I'm gonna start off with the moisturizer, which is very essential for our skin. So always remember, before you begin applying your makeup or tons of makeup, please always take your time to prep your skin, because moisturizer does works. Basically it reduces the chances of getting skin problems, and I would always prefer that use the right kind of moisturizer, which can also help to reduce the appearance of blemishes. So for that, I'm going to use my favorite moisturizer, which is going to be this Skin Naturals moisturizer. It is a very good moisturizer. And one more thing, the products that I'll be using, all products are affordable. I will definitely drop the link in my description box, you can check that out from there. So I'm gonna start off with this moisturizer. So I've just applied a good amount of moisturizer. Now my skin feels so good. So the second step, that is going to be a primer. Why should you have primers in your vanity? Because it just blurs out your blemishes, it just fills in the pores, and it gives smoothness to the skin, which is, you know, everybody loves it. And also helps your makeup to last long, all day, all night, which I love it so much. So with that, I'm going to use Insight primer. So it is a silicone based primer. You can use any primer, you can use all these primer if you are extremely dry skin, because I am a dry skin girl really. That's why I need a silicone based primer or oil based primer. Okay, you can choose primer by your skin types. So this is good for me. You can also try this primer out. So it is a silicone based primer. Look at this. So always use primer where you have extremely pores or where you tend to get oily. So basically I tend to get oily in my T-zone area, that's why I'm applying in my T-zone part. Now I'm gonna spread it out all over my face. I cannot see anything. मतलब दिख रहा है लेकिन इतना clear नहीं. So I think you get it. So moving on to the third step, that is going to be a foundation. So for foundation, always choose the correct shade of your foundation, no matter what. Initially I literally had a lot of problems, because I don't know the correct shade, how to choose the correct shade. So if you don't know the correct shade of your foundation, you can do one thing. Take the darkest shade of the foundation and take the lightest shade of your foundation, mix it together until it matches your skin tone. It is gonna look flawless on your skin. Trust me guys, I have been doing from so long when I don't know how to choose my foundation, so it really works. You can definitely try this out. So for foundation, I'm going to use Maybelline Matte Plus Poreless foundation. This is what it looks like. If you are into my skin tone, you can definitely try this out. And I'm in the shade 2 to 8, which is soft tan. So I'm gonna take the foundation on the back of my hand. I'm just going to take one pump of it. Always remember to cover your neck area and ears also. So yes, I'm just going to blend my foundation in. While blending your foundation, you just have to concentrate on your face. You don't have to drag your foundation in this motion. You just have to apply your foundation in dab it motion.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
So the fourth step, that is going to be a concealer. So for concealer, choose your concealer one shade lighter to your foundation. If you don't have hyperpigmentation, you can skip that part also. Or if you have hyperpigmentation, you should have your concealer with you, because it just corrects your all hyperpigmentation and gives a smooth base. I have pigmentation around my mouth or under my eyes, so that's why I'm using concealer. If you wanna cover it with your foundation, you can also do that. So I'll be using Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 06. I'm just going to apply it under my eyes.
Time is barely on our side.
Around my mouth.
Waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
I am saying this again and again, if you don't have hyperpigmentation, you can also cover it with your foundation. I like to use concealer, that's why I'm using it.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now, I'm not gonna set my face. Yes, you heard it right. I'm gonna apply my blush. So for blush, either you can use a lipstick. For blush, either you can use a lipstick or you can use a powder brush. So I'm gonna be using this lipstick, and this is by Nykaa, which is Molten Matte in the shade 09 Serena. I'm just going to dot it on my chin area. So I'm gonna use same beauty blender to blend this out. So you just have to blend this in your tap it motion. Basically, when you apply cream blush, it looks like a real cheeks. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side.
Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
So the sixth step, that is going to be a compact powder. If you don't have compact powder, trust me, you can use any translucent powder. It will look flawless. It comes out flawless. So I'm gonna use compact powder. So for that, I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me compact powder. I'm just going to apply all over my face in a dab it motion.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
So moving on to the next step, that is going to be a eyebrow pencil, and the one that I'll be using this by Miss Claire in the shade 02 dark brown. So I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and
So moving on to the next step, that is going to be a bronzer. So I like using bronzer because it just gives me the detailing. So that's why I'm going to use this. If you don't want to bronze your face, or if you don't want to sculpt your face, you can definitely skip that part. I personally like using that. That's why I'm going to do contour, little bit of bronzing. For that I'll be using this bronzer.
It's what's left, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
After completing your base, I like using setting spray, and the one that I'll be using, this is by Wet n Wild Coconut 3-in-1 primer water. So I'm just going to take shower from this to melt out the powderness on my face. So, and the one more important thing, that if you don't have the setting spray, you don't have to get worried about that, because I have one more thing. So I have face mist. This is by Plum. You can use this instead of your setting spray.
Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't.
So coming to the highlighter, the one that I'll be using, this is by Master Chrome. I love using highlighter, you guys. I just love using highlighter.
And on we'll go, through the waste.
So coming to the eyeshadows, so personally I don't like using eyeshadow in a regular basis. So I either use mascara, or either I can leave it by applying mascara. So yes, today I'll be applying mascara. Okay, so for that I'm gonna curl my lashes first. For that I'm going to use this curler machine. Now to hold the curl, I'm going to use Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. So yes, this much for eyes. So moving on to the lips, I always recommend you guys that before applying any kind of lipstick, you have to prime your lips first. For that I'll be using this lip crush. This is by Nykaa. You can use Vaseline, or you can use any other lip balm also.
We'll go.
So for lipstick today, I'm gonna go with this Nykaa in the shade 11, which is Jade Rose. You can also use nude lipstick, and this is also comes under the nude lipstick, so you can definitely try this out. I don't know, ये इतना bright क्यों लग रहा है? So for final touch, I am again going to use this face mist. It just refreshes my whole face.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our
So
side.
guys, here's the final look, and this is my way to do daily makeup routine. I hope you like this video, and please let me know in my comment section box how did you like it, and also let me know in my comment section box what should I do in my next video. I would really love to do that. So yes, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please consider subscribing my channel if you are new to this. So yes, I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, stay safe and stay healthy guys. I love you so much. Bye.